Welcome to Dr. Fred Markets. This is not financial advice. While most people ignore what's happening in the markets, a few choose to pay attention. And that difference, that simple choice to stay informed, changes everything. You're one of them. Let's get into it.
Your 9 to 5 will not be killed by robots. It will be killed by people who learn to use them. Verdict: AI is the new insider trading, and right now, you're the clueless bag holder paying full price for everything in your life. Look at today's tape. S&P 500 up 0.71% at 723.08, Nvidia down 0.46% at 97.57, while AI hype is at religious cult levels. The AI trade is supposedly invincible, yet the poster child Nvidia is red on a green index day. That's the first signal. The market is quietly telling you the easy AI money is gone, but the real AI wealth game hasn't even started for retail. Second signal, Google. Google up 1.09% at 387.45 on leaks about Pixel 11 with new camera hardware and Tensor G6 details. That's not phone gossip, that's a flex. Google is wiring more AI directly into your pocket, into your spending habits, into your attention. Every photo, search, notification, monetized. AI glued to your face 16 hours a day. They're not chasing AI innovation, they're installing an AI toll booth between you and every dollar you spend. Third signal, macro stress. Oil spikes on increased Iran tensions. Dow futures drop 150 points. USO actually down 2.89% at 143.34 in the chaos. And BTC and ETH quietly grind higher. Bitcoin at 80,037.36, 1.39%. Ethereum 230.7699, plus 1.3%. Headlines scream war. Markets do their little panic dance. And in the background, AI algorithmic trading engines vacuum up volatility while your human brain doomscrolls free of charge. Every crisis now is an AI training dataset and a volatility harvest. Here's the cliffhanger. While you argue about whether AI will take your job, AI already took your time, your focus, your pricing power, and your information edge, and you thanked it with a like and a subscription. The connection. These three signals say the same thing. AI stopped being a tech story and became a lifestyle tax. Nvidia bleeding on an up day says the buy any AI chip stock story is maturing. That's institutions shifting from obvious plays to deeper ones, infrastructure, data, lock-in. Google's Pixel 11 AI camera and Tensor G6 are not for better selfies. They're for better prediction of your desires, better ad targeting, and better control of what you even notice in the first place. And the macro panic around Iran, oil, and war headlines feeds directly into AI systems that front-run your fear trades, front-run your sell button, and harvest spreads while you argue about geopolitics on X. You're still thinking AI versus my job. Wrong game. The real game is AI's my lifestyle. AI sets your prices. AI curates your news. AI nudges your purchases.
Does what you just heard make you want to learn more, to dig deeper, to ask better questions? That curiosity is exactly what separates people who understand finance from those who don't. Most people stop at the surface. You're going further. Let's continue.
AI front-runs your trades, and you walk into that casino with raw human emotion and a Robinhood account. This is not financial advice, but here is the truth. The market has already priced AI will change everything into stocks. It has not priced AI will quietly drain the middle class through invisible microtaxes on every daily decision. So stop asking, should I buy AI stocks? Start asking, how do I become the person AI works for, not on? You do that in 3 brutal steps. First, turn AI into your unpaid analyst, not your entertainment. You spend hours feeding TikTok's algorithm. Spend 20 minutes feeding an AI your bank statements, your subscriptions, your bills. Force it to find waste. Force it to negotiate better deals, track price changes, and flag stupid recurring charges you forgot existed. If Google and Wall Street use machine learning to squeeze basis points out of everything, you use it to squeeze basis points out of your rent, food, and gadgets. Second, weaponize AI for income, not for takes. Everyone's prompt engineering memes. Almost nobody is using AI to build actual income streams. Take whatever you already do, sales, coding, design, real estate teaching, and strap AI on top to become terrifyingly efficient. 10x more outbound emails, 10x more product iterations, 10x more analysis. That's the only AI hedge that matters. Your earnings power climbing faster than AI-driven inflation and lifestyle taxes. Third, stop chasing AI story stocks. Build an AI story life. This doesn't mean go all in on Nvidia or Google. It means align your spending, saving, and investing around one rule. Anything that increases your personal leverage over AI is an asset. Anything that increases AI's leverage over you is a liability. Pixel 11 with Tensor G6? Tool if you use it to generate content, data, contacts, and deals. Toy if you use it to doomscroll and flex on Instagram. Same hardware, opposite financial outcome. So here's your 3-point summary. 1. The AI trade on Wall Street is maturing. The AI tax on your lifestyle is just getting started. 2. Big tech and algos already use AI to farm your fear, attention, and dollars in war headlines, in phone upgrades, in markets. 3. Your only rational response: make AI work on your budget, your skills, and your earning power before it finishes pricing you out of your own life. This is not financial advice, but here is the truth. If you don't build an AI-augmented financial lifestyle this decade, you will spend the next one as an NPC in somebody else's AI simulation. Subscribe, because tomorrow the market will lie to you again, and I won't. This is not financial advice. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and check the links in the first comment below.
That's a wrap for today on Dr. Fred Markets. I hope this gave you something to think about, a new angle, a clearer picture, a better question to ask. Remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, always. If this video added value to your day, subscribe. It's free, it takes 2 seconds, and it's the best way to support this work and keep it free for everyone. You'll also find every video as a full article on the blog, drfredmarkets.com, and the newsletter is in the bio. I'm Dr. Fred Markets. See you in the next one.